Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated to my latest videos. Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial on creating an engaging YouTube channel focused on AI storytelling. In this tutorial, we will guide you step by step through the process of setting up your channel, creating captivating content, and engaging with your audience effectively. So let's dive right in. To create a channel, first click on your profile icon and go to Switch Account. Now click on View All Channels. Now click on Create a Channel button. Here you need to add your channel name. So I have selected a name that is AI Storyscape. Just click on this checkbox. I understand that I am creating a new Google account with its own settings, including YouTube search and watch history. Create on click button. Alright, so now we have created a new channel on YouTube. Alright, so first step in creating your YouTube channel is to define your concept and branding. Next, consider your channel's branding elements, such as a logo, channel art, and a catchy channel name. Click on Done. So now we have uploaded our logo successfully. The second step is to upload a banner. Click on Upload button and select your banner. Open it. As you can see, we have created the exact size for our YouTube banner. So now click on Done. We have successfully uploaded our YouTube banner now. Now you must have a video watermark. Just create a 150 into 150 pixels logo that you can just upload it here. And this will appear as your video watermark whenever you will upload a video to your channel. And click on Upload. Select watermark and open. As this is just 150 pixels, then it will appear slightly blurry. Just click on Done. Now you need to select where you want to display this watermark. In the end of the video, custom start time, or entire video. So I will select entire video. Now you can click on Publish. You can just click on View Channel button. So now you can see your YouTube channel logo has been updated and your banner is also updated now. Now that you have your channel created, it's time to customize its appearance. So we have already added a logo and a channel banner here. So just click on Customize Channel button. And here you will get multiple options to customize your YouTube channel. So here you need to upload a channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. So to upload a channel trailer, you must upload that video to your YouTube channel first. I'll just click on Create, Upload Video, select Files. So I have created a channel trailer here using Canva. I'll just select it and click on Open. Now you need to give an engaging title and description. So I have selected one title here, Enter the World of AI Storytelling, Channel Trailer. So I have written a description that I will add here. Keep in mind that your description must have the keywords related to your YouTube channel, and the description should be creative and engaging for the viewers or the subscribers. Now add the hashtags. Now you must create a thumbnail to upload here. Or if you don't have a thumbnail, you can select any screenshot of your video that you want to use as thumbnail. So I will select one from here, then add it to a playlist if you have created a playlist. Otherwise, leave it as it is. You can select any option from here, whether this video is made for kids or not. So if you select the option, yes, it's made for kids, features like personalized ads and notifications won't be available on videos. Moreover, you will get no stories, no community tabs, no notifications, or no channel membership. So if you want to add all these features to your videos, you should select the second option, no, it's not made for kids. Then click on Show More. So if you don't have a paid promotion for your video, you should not check this box. This is all about the automatic chapters. So right now we don't have any chapters in our video. Then featured places. So this option helps viewers explore key places in your videos. So this is just an animated video, so I don't want this option actually. Now here just leave all options as it is and come to the text box. Here you need to add the relevant keywords or tag to your video. I have created some tags that I will paste here. So these are the relevant tags that my video will be using. Now you can select any language from here. So all of my videos will be in English. So I'll just select English from here. If you want to allow remixing, then you can select the first option, allow video and audio remixing. You can select any category. So this is the entertainment category. So in this section, you can just select whether you want to hide or show your comments, whether you want to review them or not. So I'll just select the second option, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. And then if you want to show how many viewers have liked your video, then you can just check this box. Otherwise, you can just leave it empty. Now click on next button. So if you want to add the subtitles here, you can just click here. Or if you want to add cards, then you can just click on this option and click on add, so that you can add the end cards to your video. But this is our first video, and obviously this is the channel trailer, so we don't want to add any end cards to this video. So let's skip this option. Click on discard changes. Now click on next. No issues found with your copyrights. You can see this green tick in front of this option, and then you can just click on next. Now here are three options: private, unlisted, or public. So if you make your video private, only you and other people you choose can watch your video. If you make this unlisted, anyone with the video link can watch your video. Or if you make it public, then everyone can watch your video. So just click on the public. You can also schedule your video if you want to schedule it on any specific time. So I just want to publish it right away. I'll just select this option and then I will click on publish. So now I have published my first channel trailer. You can just click on it to watch. So here is the description, the tags, the hashtags that we have added here. We can just select this channel trailer. Just go back, go to customize channel and click on add and select your channel trailer from here. So now you have a channel trailer that your visitors, your viewers will watch when they will visit your channel. Now you can also set a featured video for your returning subscribers. So when we will upload the other storytelling videos to our channel, then we can select those videos to add here. You can add different featured sections to your channel for your short videos, for your videos, or you can select or create a new section from here as well. If you want to show the popular videos on your dashboard, then you can select this feature, live now, past live streams, upcoming live streams, or any other sections related to playlists or channels. Now just click on branding. We have already uploaded our logo, the banner image, and the video mark here. In the layout tab, we have uploaded the channel trailer. And now in the basic information, you need to add the other basic informations related to your channel, such as the channel name that we have already added. So here you can choose your unique handle by adding letters and numbers. You can change your handle back within 14 days. Now you need to add a description about your channel here. So I'll just write a description for my channel and paste it here. Alright, so I'll just paste the description here. So if you want to add this channel title and channel description in another language, or you want to translate it, then you can just add it from here. Add language. You can select the language from here, and then you can just translate this language to another language, for example Urdu, and you can just provide the channel name and description in Urdu as well. So this is your channel's URL. This is the standard web address that includes your unique channel ID, numbers and letters. And as per new YouTube policies, you cannot update this channel URL. New custom URLs can no longer be set up, and existing custom URLs can no longer be changed. So if you want to update your YouTube web address, then you can use this YouTube handle, and you can share and update this YouTube handle with anyone. Here you can just add the links of your websites which you want to share with your viewers, and here is your contact info. Let people know how to contact you with business inquiries. So if you want to add any email address here, you can just do that. Now you can just click on publish. It was all about your channel customization settings. We have set the layout tab. We have filled all the information in the branding section, and we have also given our basic information here. So now we have done all the customized settings in our YouTube channel. As you can see, homepage, you can see a featured video or your channel trailer here. In the videos section, you will see all your videos, your playlists, your channel. Congratulations, you have successfully created your YouTube channel and learned the essential steps to get started. Now we need to work on the settings option. So in our next video, we will check how we can just do all these settings for our YouTube channel. So that's all for now. Stay consistent, be authentic, and watch your channel grow. Good luck on your YouTube journey. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video.